For millions of men over 60, the gradual loss of firm erections feels like a quiet defeat. But what if the secret to reviving your blood flow is already sitting in your morning cup of coffee? Erections are all about one thing: healthy blood flow, specifically a molecule called nitric oxide that acts like a key to open your blood vessels. As we age, that key goes missing. Today, on Dr. Alyssa Thompson, we're breaking down a simple, science-backed way to support healthy circulation. I'm not selling you a pill, just 5 research-supported ingredients you can stir into your coffee. We'll start with one you likely already have in your kitchen, and stay to the end for ingredient number 5. It's a common spicy root that creates a gentle warming sensation you can actually feel. And that warmth is often a sign your circulation is waking up. Stay with me. Before we reveal ingredient number 1, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button if you're ready to reclaim your vitality naturally. And let me know in the comments, how many cups of coffee do you rely on every morning? 1, 2, or more? Drop your answer in the comments right now. I'll be personally replying to tell you if your current routine is helping or secretly hurting your blood flow. Don't miss out on my feedback. Tell me below, and let's dive in. So, why coffee? Well, coffee itself is already a mild circulatory stimulant. It gets your heart pumping and increases alertness. This makes it the perfect delivery vehicle for other beneficial compounds, integrating them seamlessly into a habit you already have. But before we dive into these ingredients, I need to be crystal clear about something. This is the most important part of this video. Erectile dysfunction can often be the first warning sign of a more serious underlying health issue, like heart disease, high blood pressure, or diabetes. The advice I'm sharing today is designed to support your overall circulatory health, not to treat or cure a medical condition. It is absolutely essential that you speak with your own doctor to rule out any of these root causes. Your health and safety must always come first. A quick framing. Erections are one of the earliest blood vessel signals in the body because those vessels are small and sensitive. So when we support circulation, we're supporting heart health, brain health, and performance together. Okay, with that crucial understanding in place, let's build your coffee upgrade. We'll start with ingredient number 1. The core benefit here is supporting healthy blood sugar levels. High blood sugar and insulin resistance are silent destroyers of blood vessels, especially the tiny ones in the penis. Ceylon Cinnamon helps improve your body's sensitivity to insulin, which is crucial for keeping those pipes clean and flexible. But here is a critical mistake most people make. They go to the supermarket and grab the cheapest cinnamon they can find. That is almost always cassia cinnamon. While it tastes fine, cassia contains high levels of a compound called coumarin, which can be toxic to the liver in large or consistent doses. It's the wrong tool for this job. Your pro tip is to look specifically for Ceylon Cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. It has negligible amounts of coumarin, making it much safer for daily use. All you need is about half a teaspoon stirred right in. Next, ingredient number 2, and this one is the heavy hitter for our main goal. Unsweetened cocoa is packed with natural compounds called flavonols, which have been shown to boost your body's production of nitric oxide. This is the master key that tells your blood vessels to relax and open up, allowing for the strong blood flow required for a firm erection. But again, the type you buy matters immensely. The common mistake is buying Dutch processed or alkalized cocoa. This process uses an alkalizing agent to reduce acidity and darken the color, but it also destroys a significant portion of the beneficial flavonols. You'll get the chocolate flavor, but you'll lose most of the blood flow benefits. So the pro tip is to read the label. Make sure it says natural, raw, or specifically states that it is non-alkalized. 1 heaping tablespoon is a great daily dose. Ingredient number 3 focuses less on the mechanics and more on the motivation. Maca is an adaptogenic root from Peru, used for centuries to boost energy, stamina, and libido. It supports the want factor, which is just as important. The common mistake here is twofold: buying the wrong color and getting an upset stomach. Raw maca powder can be harsh on the digestive system for some men. And while all maca is beneficial, studies suggest that black maca is particularly effective for men's vitality. So your pro tip is to look for gelatinized black maca. The gelatinization process removes the starch, making it much easier to digest. So you get the benefits without the stomach discomfort. I recommend starting with just 1 teaspoon to see how your body responds. All right, on to number 4. This one provides the right kind of fuel: Your body needs healthy fats to produce hormones like testosterone. MCT oil is a unique fat that your body converts into clean energy very quickly. Now, the common mistake is simply plopping a spoonful of it into your coffee. It will float on top in a greasy slick, which is not pleasant. The other mistake is starting with too much. Take a tablespoon on day 1, and you might spend the morning in what some people call disaster pants. It can have a strong laxative effect if your body isn't used to it. So here's the pro tip. Start with just 1 teaspoon, not a tablespoon. And to avoid the oil slick, you need to emulsify it. The easiest way is with a small, inexpensive milk frother. A few seconds of whizzing will blend it perfectly, creating a creamy latte-like texture. It's a game changer. And finally, ingredient number 5, the one I told you to wait for, the circulation warmer. Ginger is renowned for its ability to promote healthy circulation. That warming sensation you feel when you consume it, that's a sign that your blood vessels are opening up. It's exactly what we want. But the benefits go deeper. As I promised, here's the payoff. Ginger also contains powerful antioxidants like gingerol, which have been shown in preliminary studies to have a protective effect on the testicles against oxidative stress. Why does this matter? Because your testicles are your testosterone factories. Protecting the factory is just as important as fueling it. This is a crucial, often overlooked aspect of maintaining male hormonal health. The pro tip here is simple. Fresh is best. A small, thin slice of fresh ginger dropped into your hot coffee will infuse beautifully. If you're short on time, a 1/4 teaspoon of high-quality ginger powder works well too. Now, I've just given you 5 powerful ingredients. Please do not go and dump all 5 into your coffee tomorrow morning. You'll have no idea what's working, and it might be too much for your system at once. Instead, I want you to start smart. Use the 1 ingredient rule. Pick the 1 ingredient from this list that resonated with you the most. Maybe it's the cocoa. Try that, and only that, for 1 full week. Pay attention to how you feel. If it works well for you, you can stick with it or add a 2nd ingredient the following week. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, your sexual health is a direct reflection of your overall health. By making these small, consistent changes, you're not just supporting your erectile function, you're investing in your total vitality for years to come. If you got value from this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more vitality tips. This is Alyssa Thompson, wishing you the very best of health, strength, and vitality. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.